All right, guys, this is going to be backwards, but check it out. Chris Olson, welcome to the channel Pnwrc Madness. I am here with the ultimate Hulk camel build Max Traxxas XRT. Stick around, I'm going to show you what I did, how I built it, how it all came about. But first, let's go send it, guys. Let's do it. All right, one thing I didn't show you, you have to trim the body just a little bit, but it snaps right into place. All right, here we go, guys. Round two. We are at the jumps. We're just gonna send it. So let's plug it in. Had a technical difficulty. I didn't screw down the rear lower gear cover and the belt came loose. So that's why we cut from the other place, but let's do it. It was on. Check this out. We got the fan. We can turn it on and off. Oh, you said give it hell. All right, here we go. We're gonna give it hell. That's what they keep telling me. Just gonna go send it full bore, guys. Only $5,000. Oh, yeah. Oh, not sure what happened, but let's go see. That's it, Tony. That's it. I'm done. I should have quit while I was ahead. I should have quit while I was ahead. All right, let's go back to the car here, Hulk Max. Take you to your home. And, I'm gonna go home, clean it up. And if this is it, guys, thanks for watching the channel. Please do subscribe, hit that like button, leave me a comment, and I will catch you guys later.